Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. After nearly 10 years and a long list of incredible recipes, today is Club Foodie's 1000th episode. To celebrate the occasion, here's an amazing, elegant recipe. Tournedos Rossini. With a tender filet mignon and foie gras sitting on a crouton, and then topped with a delicious madeira sauce, this luxurious French dish is perfect to serve for any special event. So let's get cooking. This recipe is pretty easy to put together, so let's start by making the madeira sauce. In a small saucepan over medium heat, we'll add butter, and when it starts sizzling, we'll add shallots, then saute for 2 minutes. To this, we'll pour in some madeira wine, although it can be substituted with marsala, port, or sherry. Stir well and simmer until the liquid reduces by half. We want the flavor to concentrate. Next, we'll add about 2/3 of a cup of demi-glace. You can make it from scratch by clicking on the top right corner of your screen, but I'm telling you, it takes time. So, the next best option is to use a good quality brand, and I bought this one online. It's actually not bad at all. There are also some specialty stores, or even your local butcher, that might sell some pre-made demi-glace. So check it out. Like with the wine, we'll have to reduce the sauce, but this time by 2/3, stirring often. That should take a good 20 minutes. Halfway through cooking, we'll taste and adjust the seasonings. To my taste, it's salty enough, but it definitely needs more freshly ground mixed peppercorns. I highly suggest to not overdo it, because the steaks will be seasoned as well, and we still want to enjoy the gorgeous taste from the foie gras. While the sauce is simmering for another 10 minutes, we'll do other steps. We'll go ahead and cut a couple slices of bread that are about 1 inch thick. Then form a circle with them, using a cookie cutter. I couldn't find my metal one and didn't have choice to use plastic. I managed, but it didn't work well, so I'll stick to a metal cutter. Alright, so we'll place them in a non-stick skillet over medium heat and toast the bread circles on both sides until golden brown. We should take about 3.5 to 4 minutes on the first side and only a couple minutes on the other side. We'll transfer them to a plate and let them dry out while finishing the sauce. When the remaining 10 minutes is over and the sauce is beautifully thick, we'll move the saucepan to the back burner and keep it warm until needed. Now it's time to sear the steaks. We'll heat up a cast iron skillet on medium-high heat and then add a couple tablespoons of canola oil. When it starts shimmering, we'll place the filet mignon that have been generously seasoned with salt and pepper. I won't go into details on how to cook them because there's a full tutorial on it, so click on the top right corner of your screen to view it. The only thing I'd like to mention though is I didn't finish them in the oven because they were small, but do it if yours are bigger, okay? We'll cover them with foil to keep them warm while looking after the foie gras. In a non-stick skillet over medium heat, we'll place 2 pieces of foie gras cut into circles, and we'll cook them for only 1.5 minutes per side or until golden, carefully flipping them. I like using an angled spatula to prevent them from getting damaged. They're so fragile. Now we're ready to serve. So we'll add a little bit of Dijon mustard to our sauce and whisk it until blended. To assemble, We'll place a crouton on a warm plate, top with a filet, and followed by a piece of foie gras. Yummy! We'll spoon the sauce around the crouton and also over the foie gras before garnishing with mustard microgreens. And my friends, these are our Tournedos Rossini. Extremely elegant with great ingredients and flavors, plus an amazing sauce. This is a recipe not to be missed. This French classic is perfect for celebrating any special occasion. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!